What's up, guys? It's Hong from First Hour AP Lang, and today I'm gonna be teaching you how to play solitaire. Now, a lot of people walk up to me in the streets and in the hallways, and they ask me, Hong, what kind of people play solitaire? And you know what I tell them? Lawyers. Lawyers play solitaire. In this picture, we have Saul Goodman, very respected, skilled, intellectual lawyer playing solitaire right there on his laptop. Working mothers. Now, recently I was speaking to someone, and they said that working mothers are the backbone of the working class and the economy. And you know what I told them? I told them you're goddamn right they are. And lastly, students, smart, intellectual, humorous, creative students, such as the one in this picture. Now that we have that out the way, let's learn some solitaire. So to beat solitaire, we have to fill each of these foundation piles with cards of the same symbols ranging from ace to king. So for example here, we have an ace, and then as we move along in the game, we'll find the next lowest thing, which is a 2, and then we'll move that into the foundation pile. So as we get stuck, we have this pile, which is a waste pile, which is a combination of just random cards that we can move in and out of each pile. And then we have these stock piles, which we basically have to flip every single one of the cards. And the stockpiles follow a bit of a different rule, which basically, if you see here, it goes from highest to lowest instead, and then you also have to alternate colors. So we have a 10 here, and the next lowest number would be 9. And since we have to alternate colors, it'd have to be a black 9. So we can move this here, and this will flip the card. And then we also have the same thing for this red 4. We can move it next to the black 5. So as you move along the game, you'll encounter a situation where one of your columns is empty. So when your column's empty, you can move any deck or card that begins with a king, like this one, into the empty section. And as you keep moving along, it will begin to form up, and then you can begin filling your foundation piles and then flipping your stock piles while also emptying your waste piles. And that's basically it. One thing I will say is that solitaire comes from, well, learning solitaire comes from a lot of experience. So even though I did outline most of it, a lot of it will be based on actually just playing it and experiencing it for yourself. So yeah, I mean that's basically it. And then we're just gonna end this off with a little montage of me beating solitaire on the hardest difficulty. So enjoy.